Today we're working on a truck box, United Welding Services. It needs some stuff done to it because it was a free box and yada yada. I had to install those, the opening mechanisms. It needs a rod and connectors. Well, since that company is owned by RPT Distributing now, that's where you get the connectors. This here is one of the rod connectors, and it goes there, pushes down in there. Well, there's already probably one there, and it's probably stripped to hell and back because of that Allen wrench, or maybe because the bar that goes across here, the aluminum bar, is damaged because your dumbass employees treat your stuff like shit because it's not theirs. Then what you're going to do is go to Slows or Home Dipper and get you a round 1/4 inch by 6 foot bar. The distance between here and there is a little over 4 foot, but there was an exact bar exactly 4 foot, and this is over 4 foot, so I went ahead and got the 6 foot. Not that big of a deal. Not crying over spilt milk or none of the other dumb shit, but it is what it is. So there's that. And your local truck stuff can pick you up that. Then it's pretty simple and straightforward how this works. You push the rod connector in there. Kind of obvious because you took the damn thing out. Well, some of you might have. I didn't, so there's that. And then you're going to take your said rod and slide it through the hole. But since I'm a little over, I have to cut some off. So there's that. But I'll get back to it. And now that I got the bar to size, you just slide it up in there. And I got that rod connector there. That's your rod. You gotta kind of finagle it up in there. But you get the idea. Oh, I see. Well, mine's got to go inside this channel right there. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get that in there just yet, but hey, that's where it got to go. Then you get the idea. Today we're working on the UWS toolbox for a truck bed. As you can see, there's a stud there. Well, kind of half-assed stud. That's a lock latch for the mechanism to lock the lid of this box. Well, as you can see, there's the mechanism right there. And what I've done, that's a 1/4 20 bolt. I think it's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches long. And that's a 1.5 inch washer. So it might be 2 inches long. The 1.5 inch washer is enough space that matches that other one, so that worked out easy. And I just used another nut to space it out a little bit. And it latches just fine. So it's cheap and easy. I'd already had these laying around about 15 years anyway, so I mean, time to use them now, huh? But that's all there is to it.